Hi, today I'm running Realme C33 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. Then click to the internet section, tap once on the switcher to activate the Wi-Fi, and after that we can see here all of the available networks. Just to enter the password and see the password, you should click to this checkbox. To have no some mistakes, I'll enter it out of screen. Just after that, click to connect button and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you wanna, you can add here more just networks, you can connect to them, and after that you will see them here in the saved networks section. Just let's go back, click here to the Wi-Fi switcher if you wanna turn it off. And also we have one more way how we can use the Wi-Fi, how we can activate it. Just open notification panel shortcuts, then click on the Wi-Fi switcher icon. It's activated now. To turn it off by the same way, click on the Wi-Fi section, and just to hold this icon will launch the same Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.